Today topic of lecture Introduction to Managerial Economics. Managerial economics is a part of economics and it is concerned with the decision making. Managerial economics is a part of economics and it is concerned with the decision making. Economic is the one of the social science. For the example, political science, sociology, geography, psychology, etc. These all are subject to the information to outside the public or country or state or world, any region. That purpose is the social sciences knowledge. Managerial economics is a part of economics and it is concerned with the decision making. It is related the decision making. What is decision making? Decision making is the key role any business, any services success depend the decision making power. What is decision making? Decision making is the select the suitable alternative or choose the choice for solve the business problems or managerial problems. It is called a decision making. What is managerial economics? Those economics principles, concepts, methods, tools, and techniques that can be applied practically to solve the problems of business management is known as a managerial economics. Managerial economics means any economics. Those economic principles, concepts, methods, techniques, tools can be applied to practically solve the problems of business management is known as a managerial economics. This managerial economics is the used to the different principles, concepts, methods, tools used for solve the managerial problems practically. It is a managerial economics. Next, nature or features of managerial economics. Any managerial economics have following features. Close to microeconomics. Study of macroeconomics. Managerial economics is science as well art. Applied in nature. Evaluate its alternatives. Interdisciplinary. assumptions and limitations. These all are nature of managerial economics. Managerial economics have as following nature or characters. First one is close to microeconomics. Economics are divided to categories. First one is microeconomics. Second one is macroeconomics. Managerial economics is the close to microeconomics. Microeconomics is the what is micro? Small. A prime, a product, a industry. You know the microeconomics. Microeconomics is the you know the single unit or single product or person or market is known. That is a microeconomics. Managerial economics is the part of economics. So this macroeconomics knowledge also required. Main purpose microeconomics. You know the one person, one product, one market, one unit, one industry. That information is the use of the managerial economics for taking the decisions. Any product, any industry, any market, that basis that decided the decisions. So close to the microeconomics. Next one is study of macroeconomics. Macro mean elaborate, large, more, total industry, total population, total income, total product, total national income. All are you know the macroeconomics. In this managerial economics, the study of macroeconomics. You learn the macroeconomics. Main purpose managerial economics taking the decisions for solve the managerial problems. Any taking the decision good, that purpose also more knowledge required. So managerial economics you study of the macroeconomics also. Macroeconomics is known the elaborate, large information known. That information is of the taking the good decisions. Next one is managerial economics is the science as well art. What is science? What is art? Science is the use of the principles, formulas, theories. Any person use that formulas, the theorems. Result is the same. You are also apply one theorem, one formula. I am also apply same formula. same theory, result is same. It is a science. Managerial economics also, you apply the some economics theories, economics principles, economics formulas. So it is a science. Art mean you situationally taking the decisions. Special skills are humans. It is called a art. Some persons also some field special skill, special knowledge, full effort. That is that person art. That builds also any decision taking the easy. Same manager management, higher authority. Use some taking the decisions. Some persons also very sharply. Some persons also not sharply. Slowly taking the decisions. Some persons also depend the other persons. Any decision taking before. It is a that person's art. More skilled persons you taking the own decisions. No depend the others. It is a art. So managerial economic is science as well art. Next one is applied in nature. Is one of the feature, one of the character. In this economics, more number of techniques, theorems, formulas apply the our business formulas solving purpose. That is one of the nature. Some demand law, supply law, some example. That laws also apply the or taking the decisions. Next one is evaluate its alternative. Is more alternative, same problem, same purpose, use. What is alternative or problem is solve, get the more profits. Every alternative you evaluate, calculate, estimate in this economics. What is better alternative or solve the business problems or managerial problems. You select the good alternative based the evaluation sheet or comparison statement. It is one of the nature. Next one is interdisciplinary. Interdisciplinary means other subjects, not one. Managerial economics is the newly created the subject for solve the business problems or managerial problems. In this subject also, not one subject, different subjects linked in this subject. Economics, statistics, management science, accounting, sociology, psychology, all are linked in this subject. Why This main purpose also taking the decisions for solve the business problems, management problems. That purpose also more knowledge required. Different fields, different subjects. So all subjects in this subject also link up. It is a interdisciplinary, not one subject. Main purpose also taking the decisions. That purpose also more knowledge required. Any decision you take well or good or better. That purpose also more knowledge required. Knowledge persons also you select the suitable alternative. You choose the suitable solution, solve the our problems, our business problems, our management problems. So more require the knowledge. It is a interdisciplinary. Next one is assumptions and limitations. In this economics also, this main part of the economics. Economics law, so many laws, demand law, production function, different type of laws, that some apply the laws, some assumptions follow, some conditions follow. That laws also applicable. You not follow the assumptions. That law is the not applicable. Same some limitations also. Conditions. Every law, every theorem. Some limitations also. That limit also you apply that laws. More the limit that not applicable the that law in the economics. Solve the problems. These all are nature features of managerial economics. First one is close to microeconomics. Next, study of macroeconomics. Managerial economics is a science as well art applied in nature. Evaluate its alternative. Interdisciplinary assumptions and limitations. Next topic is scope or area of managerial economics. First one is demand decisions. Input output decisions. Price output decisions. Profit related decisions. Investment decisions. Economic forecasting and forward planning. These all are scope, area of managerial economics. Managerial economics concerned with the decision making for solve the managerial problems, business problems. that so many decisions, different areas. First one is demand decisions. What is demand? Some decisions taking the base of the demand. That all are decisions, demand decisions. What is demand? Demand means any product, any service, purchasing quantity. It is called a demand. More purchase any product, any services. The demand is more. That businesses, that institutions, that companies get the more profits. Low demand, low, that type of institutions, businesses get the low profit, or sometime also get the losses also. That base is the decided the some decisions. Our product to demand also based forecasting. Forecasting in future. Demand forecasting. Guessing the future demand. Our product, our service. That based the taking the some decisions. These all are demand decisions. Future our product also decrease, or our product also increase. That time take the some decisions. Our product also increase in future. That traditionally you establish the more product, increase the our production. How to increase the our production? That feature or demand cash or product taking the some decisions. These all are demand decisions. Our product in future demand is low or decrease for forecasting information based. That time taking the some decisions. How to increase our demand in future? You take the measures, quality, size, price, etc. Any incentives provide the users or buyers. Different decisions you base the demand. It is a demand decisions. Next one is input output decisions. These decisions also based the input or output. What is input? Expenditures. In this include the material, labor, administration, manufacturing, all expenses, etc. These all are input. Any input also you taking the decisions, minimize, control the input cost. for taking the decisions, how to the minimize the or input expenditures, how to the control the or input wastages. That purpose taking the different decisions. It is called a input decisions. Next output. Output is the production. Any business peoples or manufacturers, you want maximum product, minimum cost, minimum input. That purpose taking the different decisions, how to maximum product produce our missions and equipments. You taking the some decisions. These all are input to output decisions. Next, price output decisions. The decisions you take the based price output. Price mean any product, any service, you know the money value. It is called a price. How to decide the price? That purpose you taking the some decisions. That time consider the expenditure of price, expenditure of our product, cost of our product, demand of our product, competition of our product. Three factors you considered taking the decisions. Our product price. That purpose different methods, different techniques, different tools. You studied the managerial economics. You base the output. It is called a price output decisions. Next one is profit related decisions. Any institution, any business, any entrepreneur, main purpose is starting the businesses, get the profits. How to get the profits? That purpose different methods. In this managerial economics, you studied break-even analysis. That more use. Future profits, present profits, ratio analysis. You compare to the statements. That based the you taking the profit related decisions. That based the how to get the more profits. All are you studied the in this managerial economics. Next one is investment decisions. Investment is the main important or capital. Any entrepreneur, any business peoples before starting what type of business is also better, what present situation, how to get the more profits, very low period, what type of business is also more risk, more profits, low risk, low profits, all are you calculated. Some methods, capital budgeting methods. That based the you decided the what is better investment. It is all our investment decisions. Next, last one is economic forecasting and forward planning. This is total economy or country or state or region or world. You calculated, evaluated future economy position. It is called a economic forecasting. Future also our country economic position also well, our state economics position also well, our area economics position is well. That based the you prepare a plannings, product plannings. It is called a economic forecasting and forward planning. That purpose you studied the different forecasting methods. That methods you know the economy of our country or state or area known, or our economy also very well in future. That purpose we establish the increase our product, increase the manpower, increase the investment, etc. You prepare a plannings. It is called a economic forecasting and forward. These all are scope area of managerial economics and decisions, input output decisions, price output decisions, profit related decisions, investment decisions, economy forecasting and forward planning. Next topic is relationship between managerial economics and other subject or disciplines. Economics and managerial economics. Statistics and managerial economics. Mathematics and managerial economics. Accounting, managerial economics. Operation research and managerial economics. Psychology and managerial economics. Managerial economics, not one subject. This is all. It is the newly introduced the new subject for solve the managerial problems or business problems. So in this include the different subjects or disciplines. This main purpose taking the decisions for solve the business problems. or managerial problems. So taking the any decision. What is decision? Decision means select the suitable alternative for solve the problems, business or managerial problems. It is called a decision. That purpose also more knowledge required, not knowledge, not take the good decisions. So managerial economics, you concerned decision making for solve the managerial problems, business problems. So more require the knowledge. So this subject is different subject linked or mixed all subjects, that all are one by one explain now. Economics and managerial economics. Managerial economics is the part of economics, not separate. So main managerial economics use the economics techniques, methods, theorems, principles, concepts, etc. So it is the more related the economics to managerial economics. Next, statistics and managerial economics. What is statistics? Statistics is the any information you know the numerical value. That subject is the statistics. Numbers, any result, any information you know the figures, not words. That is a statistics. Any information you collect. Finally, result is the few numbers, few numerical values for the result of your semester exams. So on some person, percent is 60%. That person is 70%. That is a statistics, only figure. So managerial economics also more knowledge also required. You taking the decisions. That knowledge also you collect the statistics, numerical values. That basis the taking the decisions. So statistics also include managerial economics. Next one is mathematics and managerial economics. Mathematics is the compulsory need. Any calculations, your business, your services. So must required any calculations, adds, dividing, sum, etc. Any calculation also need the mathematics knowledge. So it is also include the managerial economics. Next one is accounting managerial economics. Accounts also more need our businesses or business result, particular period, particular time known, compulsory need the accounting knowledge. account books, records, prepare a final accounts, prepare a comparison statements. That based the you take the decisions, present year, future year, previous year, our sales, our expenditures, our income, our profit, all are you know the accounts. That knowledge also required you taking the decisions. That is also include the managerial economics. Next one is operation, research and managerial economics. Operation, research or investment, investigation, searching. You collect the more information. Any new, any modifications or product or business missions, equipments. That purpose also research knowledge also required. So it is also include the managerial economics. Next one is psychology and managerial economics. What is psychology? Psychology is the human behavioral science. Is known the behavior of human. Human means people. Different persons also different behavior, different attitudes, different taste, different fashions. That knowledge also required. Main businesses also depend the people. Every people different behavior. All are you studied the business persons that base the taking the decisions. Some persons also you price low price purchase. That person's mentality. Some persons also high costly purchase. That person's mentality. Some persons also prefer quality, fashion, new technology. That person's also behavior. So compulsory required psychology knowledge or increase the sales. You identify the or users behavior, users mentality up to date. So psychology also include the managerial economics. These all are relations between managerial economics and other subjects. First, economics and managerial economics, statistics and managerial economics, mathematics and managerial economics, accounting, managerial economics, operation research and managerial economics, psychology and managerial economics. Today you learn the what is managerial economics, nature and scope of nature and features of managerial economics, and the scope of area of managerial economics, relationship between managerial economics and other subject or disciplines, to known. Today class is over. Thank you.